want to quickly show you what's possible in terms of extracting the values out of a Google Analytics cookie and then passing those values into a hidden form field using Google Tag Manager and submitting those to your favorite CRM, which could then be synced over to Salesforce and added to a Salesforce Campaign Member record, where you can then look at multi-touch attribution and slice and dice that in a bunch of different ways. So I'm just gonna go ahead here and I'm gonna search free lead to account matching Salesforce because I know we rank for that term. I'm gonna hit our website directly. So I just acted like I'm in the incognito window. I just acted like I'm an anonymous user hitting the website for the first time. Now I'm gonna go click around here. So go to our pricing page. I'll go back to our multi-touch attribution page. And then let's say I go back to lead to account matching. And now I'm gonna go ahead and submit this form. Now that this form's been submitted, I should have been able to collect all of those values from the Google Analytics cookie on the form submission. So let's go look at the form submission. So here's the email I got from HubSpot with the form submission. And you're gonna see if I scroll down here, I've got the hidden fields I collected. So I know the source was Google, I know the medium was organic. The search term is not provided, and that's because Google is encrypting it. They're not giving us the search term. Content was not specified, it's undefined. And then we know the landing page that we first hit on the website was that solutions lead to account matching page. That's where we came from the Google search result. And then we also converted on that page. So now you got deep level analytics here. And the great thing about this is you can also pass UTM parameter values. So for example, if I was sending an email to somebody directly and I wanted to attach my own UTM parameter values, those could overwrite the source, the medium, the term, the content. So let's go look at what this looks like inside of Salesforce. Okay, so inside of Salesforce, I'm on my contact record, and you're gonna see the values were passed in to the contact. And this can pass into both lead and contact. So what we're gonna do is we have a HubSpot workflow set up. We're actually gonna clear these values after, I believe, 10 minutes. That way, if another conversion happens, let's say they see a retargeting ad, click on that ad and convert again on a different landing page. We're going to want to capture that separately. And that's why we capture things on the campaign member object. So if I scroll down here, here's my campaign. If I click view, you're going to see all those values were mapped over. And what's really important here is campaigns are a one-to-many relationship. So on lead or contact, I can have many different campaigns, all with different UTM values or values extracted from that Google Analytics cookie. So now I can have a full view of my customer's buying journey, and I know every single touch point, exactly where they came from and what ad dollars are contributing to the bottom line. So now the $1 million question is, how do you set all this up? Well, we've got a link in the YouTube video that goes to a blog post that outlines in detail each step you need to do to set this up. But if you're watching this on our website, go to our blog, and that blog post outlines all the details. So good luck in the setup, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.